had a few questions about this, and so I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about the teacher's guide in each course. But I'm going to show you why somebody is asking about this. So this is first grade math. I'm in the editor mode, and down in module 9 there are two assessments. So this is a module 9 synchronous session. We took that one off because we didn't want to meet. But on this written benchmark, if you look at the directions, it says on there, and this happens with a few of them, contact your teacher for the written benchmark exam. So it isn't connected just in here. You have to go and get it, and you go and get that if you decide to do this. I mean, it's for all the modules. It's probably a good thing to do. Of course, you can make that decision based on what you're collecting from them. But within each class in the top on the resources, they have this teacher's guide, which was marked, right? So this teacher guide actually has some stuff that you'll need for the classes. So it's probably good to be able to go into there. So on this teacher's guide, it's got the syllabus for each class. So you can click into those. It has just talks about the different things. So for each class, this gives you so much information, and we forgot to share with you that it's here. So it talks about the benchmarks exams, like how it works within there. Materials needed for the class, but I'm getting there. It also has all of your answer keys and rubrics. So if you're in an older class, I mean, you probably won't need it for first grade, but this is where you can find your rubrics. When you go into here, you can find rubrics for all of these assignments. I think you can find them the other way too, just by going in the way that we showed you. But if I go down to the bottom here, this is where you find, if you decide to do the synchronous sessions, the PowerPoint for those are right there. But this is where the written benchmark assessment is. I don't know why they don't just connect it in there, but they don't. So if you decide to do these, you go right here, you download this, or you meet with them and they fill it out together. For some reason, they're just not connected within the assignment, but I mean, it is a good thing for them to be able to have these assessments, and they're actually written pretty well. So that's where you find them. So I guess you can make the decision if you take it off or not. And let's see, I'm just seeing what else is in here. How to annotate a PDF. So they have ideas of how to do that also, but we just use Kami for that. So the teacher's guide, it's a good thing. So, and it's in every class at the top in the resources.